All right, guys, it's a weekday, it's a work day, but we all got off. It's 5:02 in the afternoon, officially hitting the water. Got the motley crew today, gentlemen. Doug does still fish. Imagine it. Doug is still a fisherman. He's just been off camera a little bit, but we're gonna show him some love today. We're all gonna try to go catch some sheepshead. Got some peeler crabs, some fiddler crabs. That's about it. That's all I got for you. We're gonna see if we can get out here and get it done. Head to one of these reefs and drop down with some jigs. All right, we've been here 5 minutes. Whoa. And Doug's over here body slamming Tog. No, I'm just kidding. All right, check that out. First fish for Doug is a tag fish. It looks like it's been in there a while too. Take a picture of the tag and we'll call her in. Dougie again with a fat one. That's a good one. All right, another big fatty. Ow, ow, look at that guy. Probably, he's not quite a citation. He's probably same size as the one Doug just caught, maybe 23 inches. $24 on the dot. All right, well that's it. 2 fish. Lost a couple other nice ones, but you can't beat the view on the way home. Absolutely beautiful out here today. So give me a commentary. What do you think?
I mean, right up in the face. I mean, caught a tagfish, caught my biggest ever sheepshead, caught a couple togs. They were nice size.
17-inch dog in that mix.
I'm happy. A little after work mission. It's been a stressful week. Working 11 hours a day. It's nice to be out here on the water.
Amen to that, guys. That is a sink full of sheepshead. That is 19 pounds of sheepshead. 2 fish, just short of a citation. 9.5, 9 and 3 ounces. So, boom. 2 fatties, left a bunch of them behind. That's gonna be dinner. All right, so the worst part about sheepshead fishing is having to clean these guys. See, they got these tough armor plates of scales here. So to get in, you find yourself a little notch somewhere in them scales. Like right there. And you get your cut and you start inside. And then we're gonna follow that spine and you stay under the skin and it will save your knife blade. You gotta be careful. They got some very gnarly dorsal fins that will just really stab the death out of you. So once you get in there, you're pretty good to go. And usually I would do this at the dock, but it was super late getting in tonight. I don't want to be that guy hanging around the dock all night long, so decided to bring him home and get him knocked out. But you just work your way underneath and always work from bottom up, and you can get around all those scales. I mean, you see those things are massive. Wait till you see the fillet that comes off this fish. There we go, big old fat slab. We're gonna be trying a really crazy recipe that a lot of people have told me is good. I've never tried it, so I can't tell you if this is gonna be awesome or not, but we're gonna be making poor man's lobster out of sheepshead today. So all it takes to make poor man's lobster, we're using a recipe that I found online. 1 cup of sugar, a half a lemon. We're gonna mix that in with some water, and we're gonna boil our sheepshead. You heard that right. We're gonna drop it in and boil it until it floats, and then pick it out, and it's supposed to taste like lobster. So we'll see. All right. Half a lemon. 1 cup of sugar. Just stir it till everything's all mixed together, and then we'll bring it to a boil. All right, we got our sheepshead all chopped up. So per recipe, it says cut them into 1-inch chunks. So we've done that. And sheepshead is real meaty, so it's a good fish to try to do this kind of thing with. I think the texture is going to be right. So we got all our pieces cut up. We're just waiting for our water to come to a boil. Then we'll drop some in there and give it the old taste test. All right, here comes the first couple pieces in. Let's see how this turns out. They say when it's floating, it's done. So we'll see how that works. All right, moment of truth. Ooh, that's hot. Pretty legit. All right, the connoisseur of seafood, what do you think?
I think that it's an 8 out of 10. It just needs a little bit more flavor, but
A little more flavor?
a little bit more flavor. But
Okay.
I think it's really good so far. Just add a little bit more flavor.
There we go. Jackson's recommendation. We've added some extra Old Bay, a little bit of garlic, and I think it turned out really well. I would definitely do it again. Got a bunch on the plate here, and it really does have the consistency of crab meat, which means you can do all kinds of other fun stuff with it too, probably at this point. Sheepshead, poor man lobster style, and it does not disappoint. It is really, really, really good. So, highly recommended.